Welcome back. Comparison operators, or relational operators, are essential for control flow. They allow your program to make decisions by comparing two operands. Crucially, the result of any comparison operation is always a Boolean value, either true or false. 1. Equality and inequality. The most frequent comparison is checking if two values are equal, using the double equal sign, and checking if they are not equal, using the exclamation mark followed by the equal sign. 2. Greater than and less than. We use the familiar mathematical symbols for checking magnitude, including the combined operators for greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Python is unique in allowing comparison chaining, which is a concise way to check if a value falls within a range. 3. Comparison with different types. You can compare different numeric types without issue, as Python handles the type conversion. String comparisons are based on alphabetical order, derived from the Unicode value of the characters. To summarize, comparison operators are the workhorse for logic, always yielding a Boolean result. Be mindful of the difference between the assignment operator, single equals, and the equality comparison operator, double equals. We can now compare single values. Our next lecture, 0604. Logical operators. See you there.